how to scan QR codes on any Android device. Whether you've got a Samsung, Google Pixel, or any other brand, this guide will help you get it done. So let's dive right in. Most modern Android devices have QR code scanning built directly into the camera app. Here's how you can use it. Unlock your phone and open the camera app from the home screen or app drawer. Point your camera at the QR code. Make sure it's well lit and in focus. Hold your phone steady to allow the camera to scan the code. After a few seconds, you should see a notification or pop-up with the QR code's content. Tap the notification to view or follow the link provided by the QR code. If the QR code isn't scanning, make sure it's not too small or obscured. Ensure you're not too close or too far from the code. If your camera app doesn't have built-in QR scanning, you can use your Google's Lens, which is available on most Android devices. Open the Google Lens app from your app drawer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Allow Google Lens to access your camera if prompted. Tap on the camera icon and point it at the QR code. Google Lens will then automatically recognize the QR code and show relevant information. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to scan QR codes on any Android device using a variety of methods.